Should recipients of welfare be drug tested? Is it constitutional or a violation of the Fourth Amendment? I believe that money could be saved by drug testing these recipients. Many Americans do not enjoy throwing away money, but taxpayers could unknowingly be doing just that. There are 15 million recipients in the U.S. currently receiving welfare benefits. Many have abused this assistance program, using the money for the purchase of unlawful substances. 39.5 million drug abusers are on welfare, and there are no laws preventing them from abusing the system. As a concerned taxpayer, I believe these funds could be better spent on job opportunities, upkeep in the community, and education. Obtaining government assistance should require some personal responsibility. Otherwise, our tax dollars are being put to no good use, but contributing to a filthy habit. Mandatory drug testings will help spare tax dollars from the shadows of the drug trade. In order to receive financial assistance from the government, you have to take a drug test and also pay for the drug test out of your own pocket. The cost of an average drug test is from about $8 to $12. If you pass a drug test, your money is reimbursed and you are eligible for welfare. However, if you fail the drug test, the money you spent does not get refunded and you are ineligible for public assistance until you are clean from drugs. Many believe that if we deny a drug user from receiving benefits, we are punishing the family. But in reality, isn't the responsibility of the drug user to provide a positive upbringing and a healthy lifestyle for their family? Regular drug testing is part of many people's lives. When starting a new job, many companies require a drug screen urine analysis. Nearly every profession has a standard drug testing process before getting hired. Retail giants such as Walmart require every employee to be tested before getting hired. So why should welfare recipients not be monitored and drug tested when applying for benefits that cost the working class money? According to an article in USA Today, 23 states are currently pursuing laws that would require anyone who receives welfare assistance to undergo a drug test in order to receive benefits. In Colorado, State Representative Jerry Sonnenberg is sponsoring a bill that will require applicants for his state's Temporary Assistance for Needy Families program to pay for and pass a drug test before getting any kind of government help. The Associated Press also reported that Alabama Senate passed a bill that would make recipients who have been convicted of a drug charge within the last 5 years to be drug tested if they seek temporary assistance through the state. The U.S. Department of Health Services states that 30% of people who are on welfare stay on it between 2 and 5 years. $193 billion is spent annually by the government on welfare. This includes food stamps and unemployment. Florida law now requires all aid applicants to be drug tested. Although the American Civil Liberties Union has already filed a challenge against Florida, sponsors and supporters of many drug testing bills say that the rules are intended to help people stay healthy, eliminate fraud, and avoid substance abuse problems. Jason Williamson, an attorney in their organization's criminal law reform project, said that ACLU is against any kind of suspicion of drug testing the population. They believe this law violates their constitutional rights for privacy and inaccurately suggests that people on welfare use drugs more than others. The UCLA thinks this kind of drug testing is unconstitutional, scientifically unsound, fiscally irresponsible, and one more way the war on drugs is an unfair war on America's most vulnerable populations. Welfare is 100% about helping children. Welfare is taxpayer money to help people looking for jobs who have children. Drug use by anyone with children looking for a job is totally destructive. This is fundamentally about protecting the well-being of Florida families. This statement was said by Rick Scott, Governor of Florida. Many people believe that this law invades people's privacy, implies many views about recipients of government assistance, and is unconstitutional. However, if we can stop just one person from abusing this system and taking full advantage of it, I feel the government has done its job in protecting hardworking people's tax dollars that could be spent on education, healthcare, or military defense. We as taxpayers have a right to know where our hard-earned money is going. However, next time you look in your wallet or bank account, think to yourself where half of your paycheck is going. I would like to believe my tax dollars are going to someone who needs this money to make a living and support their family.
Thank you.